How to sign up for Temu affiliate program. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Let's move into Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Temu affiliate program sign up. Tons of different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the very first site. Well, it will be landing you on this home page. In order to sign up, simply tap on Get Started over here. It will be landing you on this page. If you already have your account, you simply have to log into your specific account. After that, you will be signed into your Temu affiliate program. If not, first of all you have to create your Temu account. If you already have your account, simply enter your email address and the password and then log into your specific account. After that, you will be good to go. But also you should know that your account of Temu affiliate program will only be created if it is available in your region. If not, you won't be able to create it. In that case, all you want to do is wait for the Temu support to enable it in your region. And then only you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create your Temu affiliate program account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.